Welcome back. On this time around, this is gonna be a short video. I just want to have a little reminder of how to make a transparent PNG file or texture file to work here inside of Blender. Because most of the time, once you import a texture that has a transparency in the background, you get a black texture. Let's do that to this image. What's going to be an image. First of all, let's go over here and add a brand new either here and here. Add new material to it. Let's call this one, it's going to be another palm. Let's call this palm 03. And from here, you want to go to your shading. Once you're in here, you want to open up a image texture by pressing Shift A. Select your texture drop down and select image texture. Once you have this node, you can either create a new one, or in this instance we already have one on our hard drive, so let's go open it up and find it. I already have this one somewhere in here. There we go. And let's call this one, let's grab this one. Alright, from this part, once you select your file, you want to connect your color data into the base color. And this is what you end up usually getting. The image and everything that was so transparent is pitch black. That's not something we want. So in order to fix that, you want to grab your alpha channel and connect it to the alpha node, and you see the tiny little change there happen. From there, you want to go back into your texture tab and scroll down and open up your settings right here, and in the blending mode, open up the drop down and you want to select alpha clip, and just like that, now you have a PNG file that works with transparency within Blender. Well, if you have these same issues, then I hope this video actually works. And now we can start populating this image all around this brand new island stage that I'm currently working on. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next video.